Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can transfer crypto from Coinbase to an Ellipal wallet. Let's dive right in. So over here I have a quick AI overview of the process, and simply what you need to do step by step, first things first, you need to prepare your Ellipal wallet. And how to do so, you would first need to check that the cryptocurrency that you support is supported by the Ellipal system, as in, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. If these are the ones you choose to transfer, that is good because Ellipal does support these cryptocurrencies. Secondly, if you have an account, that would help because it will provide you better security upon your transferring of assets. And then secondly, what you need to do is navigate to receive. Open the Ellipal app and navigate to the receive or assets section, and then select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Of course, generate a receive address. This will be generated by Ellipal themselves. Copy the address as you will need that for the next following step. Now you need to open up the Coinbase app, go to your account, and then click on send/receive or the withdraw option for the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Select Ellipal as the destination and then simply choose that one and paste the Ellipal receive address you copied into the recipient address field. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm. And of course, complete the transaction. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.